Good day everyone, I am Vikka Bettina Bote of STEM 12 St. Patricia, and I am here to present to you my performance task in general biology, which is a cell analogy, and I will be using the island of Yuya in the movie Spirited Away. So let's start. This is the map of the island of Yuya. As you can see, it is in the middle of a river. The island is located in the spirit realm, but there are instances where humans can go inside. But don't mind that. Let's talk about the parts of the island and its cell analogy now. The clock tower. The clock tower is the gateway between the human realm and the spirit realm. It is a structure accessible through the red gate. The red gate is the entrance to the clock tower in the human realm. It can be considered a cell membrane because a cell membrane separates the interior of the cell from the outside environment, and the clock tower screens the beings who are allowed to go in and out, and in a way it protects the inside from the outside environment. In this island, the main export and production product is the bath water, which is popular in the spirit realm. Many spirits travel from afar just to experience the bath water. Some bath water contains herbal remedy with different properties. Everyone in the island has something to do with the bath water, just like the function of a protein, which is responsible for cell shape, inner organization, product manufacture, waste cleanup, and routine maintenance. The bathhouse is the core building in the island of Yuya. The bathhouse has a structure of multiple floors. The floors above ground level are numbered in a special manner that incorporates use of the word tien, meaning heaven, and gaizu, meaning ground. The bathhouse is the most essential part because just like the nucleus, the bathhouse serves as the control center because it controls most of the activity in the island by sending instructions and information that helps the other parts of the bathhouse and the island to function. Yubaba is the proprietor of the bathhouse. She is the highest person in command and the head of the bathhouse. Yubaba resides in the top floor of the bathhouse and directs all the activities in the island, including of hiring anyone who are asking for a position as a worker, just like the function of a chromosome, which is directing all the activities inside the cell. The bridge and entrance of the bathhouse controls movement in and out of the bathhouse through guarded entrances, just like the function of a nuclear membrane. Haku can be the nucleolus in the cell, because Haku is the direct subordinate of Yubaba. He is often running errands and performs various missions for Yubaba. He is also the one who transmits and delivers instructions or order received from Yubaba, and deliver it to the workers of the bathhouse, just like a nucleolus, since Haku is the only person who can personally meet Yubaba in her office. Ubird is one of Yubaba's servants and spies, and just like Haku, Ubird is responsible for delivering materials just like an endoplasmic reticulum that transports the materials needed by the cell. Since there is no specific name where the bath tokens are processed and packed, we will just call it bath tokens. This can be Golgi apparatus because just like its function, the received proteins are stored and distributed to the other parts of the cell, and in this case, the bath water and tokens. Bath tokens are also referred to as soak tokens. They are wooden tags with unique symbols. They are used to exchange for certain herbal remedy baths in the bathhouse. After obtaining a bath token, a small hatch in the wooden walls of a particular bath can be opened. The water bath is then delivered via wooden pipe. Kamaji is the person who manages the boiler room. The boiler room is located below ground and can be accessed by side stairs, jutting outside the exterior of the bathhouse. The boiler room can be considered as the powerhouse or mitochondria because without the boiler room, there would be no production of energy that is needed to run the bathhouse. These are spirits, whose appearances are small and round. They are seen together with Kamaji in the boiler room. The suit sprites or susuwatari only have one task. It is to deliver coal to help power the boiler room and create the water, which is the protein in the bathhouse. And in a way, they are like the ribosomes, who is responsible for making the proteins in the cell. Just like any farmhouse, the one in the Yuya Island is the same. The farmhouse is where the livestock are stored, which are the essential materials which everybody needs. And it can be considered as the vacuole because they both have the same function. Yuna are bath women, who live and work at the bathhouse under Yubaba. They do many jobs in the bathhouse while employed, such as waiting on the customers, preparing and serving the food, and cleaning the tubs for future use. These women are responsible for making the bathhouse clean and working, just like what a lysosome would do inside the cell.